Very good morning to all of you, and thanks again for watching this video on the advanced and the exhaustive contact register management module, that is a Tally add-on which has been developed by Software India Private Limited. So here we will be going through and learning and also knowing about what is a contact register and how it works and what are the features of this contact register. So let's get started here. First of all, what this add-on of the contact register works and functions here, on how it helps to the client. So with this add-on, the client can maintain the detailed columnar contact book for the parties. It means this contact register will work as a database management system or like a CRM, which will be very useful for the client to get the contact details of the parties. Now it provides an exhaustive and in-depth information of the party contact details and the statutory information and its credit days, which acts as a ready database useful for the client at the time of income tax scrutiny. It helps in the follow-up, invitation, and for the various section like giving and offering the discounts, incentive packages and the schemes, and thereby it helps and assists in increasing the productivity and the turnover. So with this database or the columnar register add-on, the client can take the contact details of the parties and which will be useful to him in doing the various actions. Basically it helps in the income tax scrutiny because many times the income tax department requires the address details of the parties, maybe for the different purposes, for the scrutiny purposes. So for that, this contact register will be very useful, and also for various commercial purposes like discount, incentives, offering incentives packages and other declarations. So thereby it helps in our productivity and turnover. Now, what are the highlights and the benefits of this contact register add-ons? So number first, it provides more detail and information of the party in a more comprehensive manner. Second, it provides the filtration and the search option for the GSTN number and the parties. So if we go through the add-on, we will be getting and filtration the search option of the GSTN number and the party. So we have developed such an add-on, so where you will get all such features. We will be going through the product through after once we complete this PPT. Third, you can print the envelopes and the labels. So it's very important, you can also print the envelopes, labels in the print, which will be useful at the time of invitations and other celebrations, and for that you can print envelopes and the labels, and also for sending the post. You can print multiple address information with the contact and the statutory details of the parties. So it's very important in our add-ons. You can also print the multiple addresses information. So there are the multiple addresses facility given by the Tally ERP9, where you can print the multiple addresses. So that such information now we have also been capturing in our contact register. You can also extract contact register as per parties accounting group wise. So when you extract the contact register, it will ask you which group. So like sundry data, south, north or east, whatever the region wise you have been provided here. So accordingly you can extract the register as per your requirement. You can hide and unhide the columns of the contact register so that it makes flexible as per your requirement. So it's very important, you can unhide and hide the columns of the contact register, and you can mold this requirement or this contact register as per your requirement. And lastly, you can export the contact register into Excel. So let's see in our product here. So let's see in our product. Now this is our company here, Software India Private Limited. Okay, so first of all we have to enable these features. So I will just go from the F11 features. So you can see F11, and then I will go to the accounting features. You can see accounting features here, and here we have provided an option enable contact register. So this is an add-on, this is a customized add-on, that is contact register. So we have to enable at the accounting features add-on. After doing this, now from gateway of Tally we will go to the display. So we will be going to the display here, and then you can see here there is a separate menu has been given as contact register. You can see a contact register. Now as I have told you, explained you can extract the report as per group wise like sundry creditors, non-trade, trade or debtors, south, west, like that one. So let's say if I go to the sundry debtors only sundry debtors, so I can just extract the report of sundry debtors, so it will give me the complete report of sundry debtors. Now if I go to the sundry debtors south, you can see here it gives me the sundry debtors south, a group. Now what it gives me the complete information like company name, you can see serial number, company name, credit days, address type. You can see here address type, multiple addresses also has been provided here option. The apart from the primary address, it will also capture in this report the multiple addresses. Now the same thing like the state, and that state is also been provided with the pin code, the contact person, the phone number, the fax number, the email ID. You can see here the account number, that is the bank account details, is also been capturing here. The PAN number, the TAN number, you can see here the VAT CST number, service tax registration number, and the GST number. So you can see here it provides a complete and comprehensive exhaustive reports in this contact register. So there is an option here, if you say condensed, it will be condensed, and if you say press detailed, so it will give in a detailed format with all the address type option also. Same thing, now you can also filter with the GSTN number, so you can also filter this report as per the GSTN wise. Similarly, you can also filter as per the party wise. So you can see here as per the party wise, we also provided the filtration option. Now similarly, you can print envelopes and labels. So you can see there is an option here, print envelopes, so you can print envelopes also. You can see there is a print labels, so you can print labels also. If I see print review, you can see you can print the labels also, which is useful for giving the invitation to the different parties. So that is also been very useful to here. So there is an option of print envelopes and labels here. Okay, so all such statutory informations like GST number, TAN number, PAN number, everything has been capturing it along with the particular party address. Similarly, we can hide and non-hide. So there is an option here in the F12. If you use F12 here, so you can hide the columns like as show addresses, yes, no. So all such information you can hide, and so that accordingly it will not capture here. So suppose if I don't want the excise registration number here, I don't want the GST number here, so if I save here, so you can see here that column will be removed here. So you can see here the VAT number, the CST number has been hide. Even I can hide the service tax registration number. So in this way, there is an option provided here to hide and unhide the column here. So it also captures all the banks and the detailed information. You can see you can also capture the bank information, and the same report you can export into the Excel. So there is a complete provision has been given here. Whatever is been provided in the screen, you can export the same into the Excel. So such a useful and very exhaustive, and what we can say as a smart and advanced contact register add-ons has been developed by Software Work India Private Limited. So if you have any other queries, you can just contact us at this number. If you need a further demonstration of this module, please call at this number here. We have a WhatsApp number also, and if you are really interested to buy, please call us. All these numbers, you can also email it. Okay, apart from that, you can also attend our workshop events and seminars, and also we keep sessions periodically, so you can attend and register at www.sawindia.com/events. So I hope this video will be useful to you, and useful to you for knowing about the contact register module, which is nothing but what we can say as an advanced and smart contact register module. We will be coming with the other videos also. So thank you very much. Thanks for joining this video and watching this video.